on today's video. So I know that my face is quite dry, but I'm going to be doing my morning skincare routine right away here. And I'm going to be showing you guys the products I use for my morning skincare routine. My cheap products, okay? They are quite inexpensive. It's something anybody can afford. Okay. So now I want to make it clear that the products I use in the morning are just hydrating products. Okay. I used to have things like salicylic acid in my routine, things like alpha arbutin in my morning skincare routine, but I had to eliminate them. I had to push them to just my night routine. Reasons being that I noticed that I easily get suntanned, right? And there was a video I made some time ago about how I got suntanned, how to prevent suntanning and all that. And also with the fact that I am not really consistent with sunscreen reapplication. So I just had to remove every active from my morning routine. So my morning routine is simply as simple as hydrating, as moisturizing, as cheap as possible. All right. So now, the cleanser I used is the tea tree foaming cleanser. I'll leave a picture of it on the screen. After my cleansing, what I do next is toning, and I tone using a rose water. It's almost finished. Now this is the rose water I use. This is the rose water from the Virginia Green Garden that I got for just 2,000 naira. See, my morning skincare products are quite inexpensive. They are so cheap. I'm serious. Where I get to spend money on is the products in my night routine, which I'll still share with you guys later. I'll be going in with my rose water next. As you can see, the skin on my face is so dry because um my face wash is quite stripping. Now this is me incorporating moisture back into my skin. I would want to go for a second round, please. I've actually reviewed this rose water. I've talked about the benefits of rose water. If you've not watched it, I'll leave the link in the description box. After my toning, the next should be a serum, but I don't use serums in the morning. The serums I have are just retinol serum, alpha arbutin serum. Like I said earlier, I don't incorporate actives in my morning routine at the moment. I might still incorporate alpha arbutin later on, but for now, no actives in the morning. Okay. So now after this, I'll be going in with my moisturizer. Right, and I've always been using this, has always been my moisturizer right from more than a year now. This has been my brand of moisturizer. This is a simple hydrating light moisturizer that is good for all skin types, but I believe that oily acne prone skin is going to benefit very much more from this moisturizer. This is a gentle, I need more please. This is a gentle moisturizer that deeply hydrates and moisturizes the skin. Now, of course, whatever you are doing on your face, extend it to your neck. Now, I'm going to allow this to sit in properly into my skin. Now, this face moisturizer retails for at most 6,000 naira. I don't know where you buy yours from, but this should not be more than, focus, please, focus. Good. This should not be more than 6,000 naira. After my moisturizer, this is of course my morning routine. The next should be my sunscreen. I have two brands of sunscreen I use, and the first one is the Biore sunscreen that I use every day. I use it every day. Then I have the Esteline sunscreen that I also use every single day. Now, I recently started using that Esteline sunscreen. That should be in August. Yes. Now, this Esteline sunscreen, about 2 months ago, there was quite a lot about this sunscreen, that it does not contain enough UV filters and all that. So now what did I do? I still use that Estelent sunscreen, and I still use my Bio sunscreen. Now, how I incorporate the two of them in my routine is, on the days I am not going out, of course, I use my sunscreen whether I'm going out or not going out. Now, on the days I'm not going out, on the days I have no plans of leaving my house, what I do is I use my Estelene sunscreen. Now, on days I will be leaving my house, I'm going to be having a busy day outside my house, I use my Bio sunscreen. But for reapplication purposes, I use my Estelene sunscreen. I don't know how that works, but it is just what I do. The fact people say it doesn't contain enough UV filters, I've heard some skincare influencers say that. I'm not sure. I don't know if that's true, because the product is actually from Dr. Rachel brand, and I don't think Dr. Rachel as a brand has come to debunk that information. Have they? Let me know in the comment section. So if they haven't debunked it, we can as well just say that, oh yes, the product does not contain enough UV filters, right? So to be on the safer side, I just use it on days I'm gonna be indoors. Then for reapplication purposes, I use it because my bio sunscreen is quite expensive. It now sells for 8,000 naira. But that excellent sunscreen retails for 4,000, 4,500, at most 5,000 naira. All right. So now, to cut down on expenses, I just use it for reapplication purposes, and the few days I will be staying indoors throughout the day. But my bio sunscreen is just like my main everyday sunscreen. So today I don't have plans of going out. I'm not going to classes for anything. No, I'm going to be staying indoors throughout today. So I'm going to be using the excellent sunscreen. The excellent sunscreen. I'll still make a proper review on this sunscreen. It says it is SPF 70 PA plus plus plus. All in one multi defense tinted sunscreen. This you use your sunscreen when indoors. If you don't, let me know why, please. I use sunscreen every single day, like every single day. Calm down. It doesn't leave a white cast, so just don't mind what you are seeing right now on my face. It's still going to absorb into my skin. Don't mind what you are seeing. And I'm going to extend it to my neck. Now, I think you can as well call this routine a broke girl morning skincare routine. A broke girl hydrating morning skincare routine. Next, I'll be going in with my Vaseline. Now, at this point, I feel like I am now addicted to this Vaseline Blue Seal. I use it for my lips. Like, whenever I'm going out, check my handbag. This Vaseline is always in my handbag. I don't know. And at intervals, I tend to bring it out and just apply a little on my lips. So this is what my everyday morning skincare routine looks like at the moment. And so far so good. My skin loves it. I just do hydration, moisturization, and that's it. If you have any skin concerns and you are not yet sure of the right actives to incorporate into your routine, you might want to just start off with hydrating products. Okay, then with time you start incorporating actives, just little by little, little by little. That is how it works. All right, so see you all in another video. Bye.